What's up, guys? Today in my video I'm gonna show you how to change this mouse look to something else. So first, let's click this search or the start button. Okay, and if you click one of them, go here to search. Okay, or if you click this, then just go straight to search. Okay, then type settings. Open so and then go to accessibility and click this mouse pointer and to have a shortcut it is also literally right here, mouse pointer and touch, but these are recent settings, so that's why it's coming from here. If you open it from here, then come back here, then you are gonna see it. Okay, let me just open then. And so look, I can even so first black mouse and this look. If it's on the same color, it's a white. And look here, we can change the color, or if you want more colors, then just these how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. If you want more than 7 colors, choose another color. And then you can choose any of these. And then click here done. But but that's not over. But that's not about the entire video. Okay, look. If you just go here, customize pointer image and click here. Then see this opens and look, all these look normal. And then if you want to change them, click browse. And I got these. I have these right now because my dad downloaded them. Okay. So if I just click this and then click open, the mouse change, and if I want, and suppose I want to reset it, then I just click here. Now it's normal. Back to the normal original mouse. And there is even more than just the look, you can customize all these type of mouse, all these type of mouses, and this unavailable one also, this unavailable one. Well, actually, it just says that it's unavailable, even that, and also this pen, whatever. Location select, person select. Yeah, I don't really know. And if you want to change your size, just drag this. This is the biggest mouse ever. It's covering my face when I put it on it. Hello guys. Hello. Okay, let me remove it and change it back to normal. Guys, I hope it's not like that forever. Done. That's better. And since now I will show you who all of these look. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe no. Now let's just go on something else. Next one is this trail. Look. I got a trail of mouses, and you guys might be thinking, what is it? And you guys might be thinking, bro, what is this guy even talking about? There's nothing. That is because it doesn't appear in the video, okay? It only appears for me. And I promise I'm not lying, guys. It's actually appearing. And 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 look, this mouse has no shadow, right? So why did it on this on? Look, it kind of has a shadow. Shadow. Okay. And and if anyone knows what this mouse indicator it is, can they please tell me? Show a circle around the mouse pointer when I press the control key. Oh wait, guys, maybe we should try that with the circle. Oh what? What? Dude, guys, this is cool. Yo, wait, after. Oh my god! Yo, cause I can't believe it, dude. This is so cool. And you can even try this. So so if you also want these options, and then you can pause it here and then tell your dad or mother or mom. Okay. But for now, that's the end of the video. In the next video, maybe I can tell you more themes, right? But for now, bye.